Hey there, car enthusiast! Are you tired of spending hours polishing your car by hand, only to end up with less than satisfactory results? Well, I've got just the thing for you, the best cordless car buffer polisher kit on the market. Say goodbye to sore arms and hello to a showroom-worthy shine in no time. In this video, I have mentioned 5 best cordless car buffer polishers that may fulfill your polishing need. So watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is POPULO 20-volt brushless car buffer polisher kit. Get ready to elevate your car detailing with the POPULO 20-volt brushless car buffer polisher kit. Enjoy the freedom of 7-speed selections, 2000 to 4800 rpm displayed on the LCD screen for tailored polishing. Its ergonomic design, weighing just 4.62 pounds, allows fatigue-free operation with multiple grip positions. The kit includes a 4.0 amp lithium battery, a fast charger, 2 cloth towels, and 3 polishing sponges for exceptional results. Experience constant power with the brushless motor at 4 all-lithium-ion battery. The dual-action random orbital motion prevents overheating and surface damage. Achieve professional-grade results with the 15-throw orbit, making your car shine like never before. Number 2 is LDHTHOPI cordless buffer polisher. Introducing the ultimate tool for achieving professional quality polishing results. With two 12-volt 2000 ohm all-rechargeable batteries, this cordless polisher offers the freedom to work anywhere, without the hassle of cords or power outlets. Experience powerful performance with its brushless motor, delivering up to 6,000 RPM for fast and efficient polishing. Take control with 8 variable speeds, allowing you to adjust according to your needs. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, reducing fatigue during extended use. Versatile and ideal for cars, boats, and furniture, this buffer polisher is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 3 is Dmig Pro cordless car buffer polisher. Introducing the Dmig Pro cordless car buffer polisher, your go-to tool for achieving professional car detailing results. This car polisher kit comes with 2 replaceable 2.0 batteries, ensuring extended usage without interruptions. With a lightweight design of just one concluding a battery and an ergonomic handle, it offers a comfortable grip, minimizing strain on your hands during extended use. The powerful motor provides 6 adjustable speeds, ranging from 2500 to 5000 RPM, making it ideal for polishing, waxing, and buffering. The package includes various accessories, such as flat sponge pads, wool self-adhesive pads, sandpaper, wax applicator hats, and more, all stored in a convenient portable box. Number 4 is Avhrit cordless buffer polisher kit. Turn your car into showroom condition again with this powerful handy device. With a powerful motor reaching up to 5,000 RPM and low noise, experience high-performance results. Enjoy the freedom of its lightweight and cordless design, weighing just 4 pounds, making it easy to carry and store. The brushless motor ensures efficiency and comfort for daily use. Equipped with 2 12-volt, 2.0 amp batteries, providing 3 hours of work, perfect for outdoor polishing without power concerns. Achieve a swirl-free finish with the 8 random orbit and choose from 6 adjustable gears, 2200 5000 RPM for precise control. A versatile tool for various cleaning tasks on cars, furniture, wood, leather, and tiles. Number 5 is KIMO 12-volt 4-inch car buffer polisher kit. It can be your ultimate solution for car detailing. With 2 2000 mAh batteries, alternate their use for uninterrupted power and extended battery lifespan. Experience the perfect balance of power and comfort with the lightweight and ergonomic design, weighing only 2.65 pounds. Customize your polishing with 6 adjustable speeds, 994 to 3634 RPM for various applications. The kit includes 24 accessories, ensuring you everything you need for a professional finish. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, the KIMO buffer polisher is your go-to tool for achieving stunning car results.